So this is what the papers look like. We are almost out for August. Man, they are flying. So we're getting Sarnia's ready right now. So Sarnia's taking what? What did they say? 500 plus another 15. Yeah. Okay. There we are. So we're going to be meeting up with Jim pretty soon here. And these guys are going to be Sarnia bound. We'll catch you up in Strathroy. Hello, Ari. How's it going?
Good.
Yeah. So we're here in Sarnia, or wait, no, Strathroy, because we're meeting people coming from Sarnia to get the papers out. But we're going to kill some time, aren't we? And you're going to tell us how COVID affected you in school.
Well, it didn't really affect me, but
What happened to you when you were in school?
it's just that you have to wear your mask if you want to go close to your friends, and everybody used to have to wear a mask. Like one time my mask got wet, and then the teachers told me to get one for the principal's office and cover my mouth.
Mm-hmm. Did you like having to wear those things?
Not really, because it wasn't really nice, because like I had to have all of my hot breath inside the mask.
Yeah, and you're inhaling your hot breath. You didn't like that?
Yeah, so
basically breathing in your own carbon. Not good. Not good. You know, when you exhale, you're breathing all the bad stuff out, and when you inhale, you're breathing all the good, yummy oxygen in. And what happens when all that yucky stuff can't get out, and it gets trapped in the mask, and you rebreathe it? You didn't like that, eh? No?
yeah, I like cold air.
You like cool, fresh air like this, right? Look at that. No chemtrails today. You know what chemtrails are?
Those little fluffy things that are
In the sky?
that keep flying around in the air.
It's what airplanes dump in the sky. You see those long, thin lines from the airplanes after they fly? And they stay up in the air for a long, 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 long time? That's a chemtrail. Yep. And you see what that thing is over there? You see that thing? That tower over there?
That?
No, right there.
That?
Yeah. That's a 5G tower.
Okay.
Hmm?
But in school, pretty much actually in school everything was okay, but it was
So your friends did they take the vaccine? Do you know?
most of them in my class did.
Yeah.
Pretty much, well, I didn't.
Yeah, you didn't?
No.
Because you're smart and you didn't want to take something that you didn't know what was on the ingredients.
Well, actually, they just try to, like, vaccine all the germs out of your body.
Is that what they tell you?
Yeah, but they also get out the blood, too. So to make you not feel so empty of blood, you might need to drink more water.
So, were you sad? Did you get to play with your friends at recess? How long did you miss?
Actually, I was able.
Yeah.
But I usually, most of the time, I stay alone, just walking around and just to get some alone time.
Yeah.
Oh, and I can't really play with Ruby anymore because I'm gonna switch school and there's no more school for like almost 60 days, almost.
Wow. All right. Well, let's see what we got here for them, Ari. Let's see. Look at the papers we got.
A bunch.
Oh, there's a bunch. That's all going to Sarnia.
This?
Yeah, all these papers. No, we're in Strathroy right now.
Why?
Because they got to get the news. They got to find out what's going on with these insect burgers. That's why. Look at that. Does that look yummy? Would you want to eat one of those things?
It looks like it has crab in it, and I won't eat the lettuce or that
So the lettuce doesn't look bad. How about the bugs? How do the bugs look?
Disgusting?
Would you eat the bugs?
No.
Are you going to eat bugs?
No.
No, you're never going to eat bugs?
No.
So what do you say to people that tell you you have to eat bugs?
Don't eat bugs.
Come on, we have to practice the agenda. There's bugs in there, and we're going to eat them. Come on. Come on.
Heck no.
Come on, we're going to find them, Ari.
I'll rather eat the newspapers.
Do you want to eat those big bugs in the newspaper?
I'll rather eat a newspaper than bugs.
Come on, help me find some bugs. Come on, they're yummy and full of protein. That's what they want us to tell us, and that's what they want us to believe, so we will. Come on.
I'd rather eat grass than...
Yeah, but grass is where all the bugs poop.
Yeah, we don't want to eat the bugs poop. We want to eat the bugs.
Okay,
Come on.
And I'll just eat your newspapers. Slowly. I'd rather eat newspapers instead of bugs.
You're going to rather eat newspapers instead of bugs?
Yes.
Well, you're smart.
John would be happy to hear that.
Yeah, I think he would. So you tried to get into the bug farm in London. What happened?
Apparently they're not doing tours yet.
No?
They're worried about the safety of their bugs and their staff. But they did appreciate me
Okay.
supporting their mission.
Yeah?
Yeah. But I had to let Simone know that that's not why I was in.
Hello.
That's right. What do you think about them making us eat bugs?
I would rather eat newspapers instead of bugs.
Okay.
That's why I'm trying to eat a whole bundle of newspapers right now.
Well, at least they're...
Because it's great. You, Grant.
So we're sitting here waiting for Sarnia crew to arrive. We went to pick up a slushie and they had those cardboard straws. Cardboard straws. What do you guys think of cardboard straws?
I think they're nice.
You think they're nice?
Because all those sea turtles won't die that easily.
I honestly think they suck.
You know, I don't like cardboard straws personally. I mean, they call them soggy and the dye comes off in your drink and it just doesn't taste right. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you guys like cardboard straws? Because, you know, they say it's saving the environment and everything else, but then you got the plastic lids. And then, what were you saying? They got the cups that are made of...
The cups are coated in wax, which
Yeah.
can be good for you.
And that's a plastic cup right there, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't know.
This
I
is
don't
like
get
a
it.
wax, this is a wax coated cup, right?
Yes, exactly. That's going to take some while to...
This plastic can't be good.
Yeah.
This has got ice cream in it. Like $4 ice cream.
Damn.
Yeah.
Well, at least it's tasty. Is it tasty?
For real.
So look who just pulled up. There we are. How's it going? Hey, we're doing the video right now. How's it going?
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Been a while.
It has been a while.
Hey, my friend.
How you doing?
Good to see you. Here, bring
Good
it
to see you,
in.
Yeah. Been a while, eh?
Yeah.
Jim's got some ivermectin. I can see it from
I
here.
just wanted to show you. Phenomenal shit, man. Phenomenal. PV Market.
Wow.
Can't
Yeah,
live
PV
without
Mart.
it.
Yeah, they got a whole pile of different.
$14.99.
Yeah.
Sometimes it goes on sale for $11.99.
I've seen it for as low as 10.
I got some. I bought a whole friggin' keg for $9.99 one time. 24 in a box.
Beautiful. Wow. All right, let's open this up.
Fuck, did you take the 407 route here? Holy fuck.
Oh no.
When you said I'm on my way? Where were you?
On the highway?
I know, but where?
Just getting on the highway, man.
Whereabouts?
We don't. Where was that, Phil? We were at
You must have
the.
been way past Wellington then.
We were at the truck stop.
Oh, fine, Jake.
Yeah, the Flying J. So.
Oh.
Yeah, when I sent you that. So.
Oh,
Yeah.
I was basing it on.
No worries, brother.
No problem.
So look at this. There's no chemtrails in the
Who's
sky
this young lady
tonight.
in there.
Nobody.
I recognize you. I see your pictures all the time. You're famous. You're a famous young lady.
So we got 2,000 papers going up to Sarnia area. So this is great to see. What do you think about that bug burger?
The Bug Burger. Look at that. Oh my
Exactly.
God. Look at it. There is bugs on it.
Oh, it's disgusting.
Actually, I think those are actually weird mushrooms.
Those aren't
No,
weird
honey,
mushrooms. Those are bugs.
crickets. Have a good luck.
I'm joking. They're actually.
What are you gonna do if they tell you to eat bugs?
I would just eat the newspapers.
Yeah, you just eat you want to eat the bugs. Okay.
You're not worried about the ink in newspapers?
Yes. Oh
At least the bugs have protein.
All mine, or because I'm not counting.
Oh, these are all yours.